Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, and it's a Tectonic with 1 star, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And yeah, this Sudoku is in the newspaper of Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020. It's actually today, Sunday the 27th, but we have no Sudokus anymore in the newspaper because the last few days we have not received any newspaper because it's Christmas time. So I have some Sudokus left, and in the newspaper of Wednesday I have the last Sudoku, and this will be a Tectonic with 1 star, and it will be number 2071. Yes, all right, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box we have here and there? The single box is always a 1. This is always a 1. Dual box, I see a 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, so let's get started. 2 boxes left in this area. The 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. These 2 should be also 3 and the 4 are left. Yes, I do not know in which order, so we need to wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And this box, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 here. The 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or that or here, yeah, or 1, yes. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And then these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And then now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So that box should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2. And then 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. That means that this box I have here marked with the 4. This box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. This should be a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. And then, yeah, we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes here. And then, let me continue. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Definitely a 1. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Quadra box. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 and a 4. So the 3 and the 4 could be here. Let me think. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Let me see. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Definitely a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 4, those two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. But also those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, the final 2 numbers. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Oh, no, 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 no. We have more numbers here. Alright, alright, alright. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. That means those 3 numbers, boxes, cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. The 1 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great. Tectonic. I like this 1-star Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you on Monday. Yes, Monday. If I have more time or spare time, maybe I will search in the previous news paper for more Sudokus, but I cannot promise. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday. Yes. Thank you, and bye-bye. Have a great day.